the radii of the circle is 12 units. Which sector has an area of 24 pi square units? Okay. Now this is a lovely question. Why do I say lovely question? See, the circle is divided into several sectors. Now if we were to apply the sector formula for each of these pieces and find out which of this segment corresponds to 24 pi square units, then it would be tomorrow's dawn. So what we are going to do is a beautiful formula. So what is given sector area is 24 pi. Let x be the angle of the required sector. So we know that. What do we know? We know that area of sector is given as theta. I'll start with theta over 360 multiplied with pi times r squared. So this means theta is equal to x. So that in turn would mean x over 360 pi times r squared is equal to 24 pi. Radii of the circle is 12 units. Since radius is equal to 12 units, so this means pi times r squared is going to be the area which can be calculated. So area is equal to pi times of 12 squared. So my pi r squared value is actually this. Now let me go back to the formula. So therefore I can rewrite 1 as x over 360. In place of r squared, I have to place 12 squared, and you have 24 pi. Pi and pi can be cancelled. And you have a 12. 12 divides 24 2 times. So this is 12 times x is equal to 2 times. I am taking this 360 there, right? Because 112 is going to remain there. Now 6 divides here 2 times, and 6 divides here 6 times, and there is a 0 there. So you have 2 times x is equal to 2 times of 60. Now these two 2's can be cancelled, giving me x is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. So go back to the figure and find out that piece or that segment. So which is that segment? This is that segment. So this is the required segment. So the solution is what? They are asking us which sector. The sector with theta is equal to 60 degrees produces the area of 24 pi square units. So that's just for the conclusion. Of course, questions like this will just be present in the choices, but to zero in the right choice, you need to know the technique to work it out. So that completes the solution to this question. We move on. Now this is the next question.